Now red my blood and no sleeping. You're on your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Brushes on both my knees, but you don't say thank you, or at least I do what I want when I'm waiting to my soul. So cynical. So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. I'm a bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh.